Welcome to Tech Talk with JustRyan. Topics, as you can see. Alright. I'm just gonna wait a second, just in case the live stream. I'm gonna wait till the live stream pops up, just in case. Okay, the live stream popped up. We're good. Alright. Let's begin. So, let's start with Nvidia. Nvidia, you're doing some stuff wrong. Let's get started. So this is Gameworks, Nvidia's service that they provide for game developers.
Games. We provide technology. Nvidia Gameworks pushes the limits of gaming, providing a more interactive and cinematic game experience, enabling next-gen gaming for current games. We provide technologies like PhysX, visual effects, optics, and a core SDK, as well as game and graphics sample code. We also provide tools to debug, profile, and optimize your game and graphics code. Here are some of our latest technologies. Nvidia Flameworks enables cinematic smoke, fire, and explosions. It combines a state-of-the-art grid-based fluid simulator with an efficient volume rendering engine. The system is highly customizable and supports user-defined emitters, force fields, and collision objects. Nvidia FaceWorks provides shaders for realistic skin rendering, enabling skin subsurface scattering, which means that light not only reflects off the skin, but it also transmits through the layers of skin below the surface. In addition, we also support deep scattering, simulating light transmissions through thin membranes. Nvidia WaveWorks allows realistic ocean simulation, for interface foam simulation is locked to and driven by the underlying spectral simulation. PhysX Flex is a particle-based simulation technique for real-time visual effects designed specifically for Tegra K1, leveraging years of experience and feedback with best-of-class developer tools for desktop and mobile gaming and graphics. These are just some examples of how Nvidia Gameworks can help advance gaming to the next level. For more information, check out our website at gameworks.nvidia.com.
Alright, so that all sounds great. But there's a problem. It is only for Nvidia graphics cards. So AMD is left out. Now AMD makes up quite a bit of the market share, especially in the gaming world. And that's a bit of a problem, because AMD does matter. And I can see where they're coming from with Gameworks. Like, they created the software, they want to keep it to themselves, but AMD has created their own software. It looks like this. And they have Tress Effects, which is hair simulations, and they have GPU particles, super samples, anti-aliasing. All of these are open source and work on Nvidia graphics cards. I mean, the Nvidia solutions work, they just are not good on AMD graphics cards. So this was just one of the things that started to bug me about Nvidia, was that was business practices like this, where they basically make it. They basically, I believe, pay game developers to put some of their software in, and I don't think that's okay. So yeah, that was one thing. And this game, it's just cost $3. It doesn't run very well, and especially on AMD cards. And one of the problems is it uses Gameworks. That's, yeah, it's Gameworks, so it's not very good. And it tends to be very, very glitchy and laggy, so yeah. Now on to the next part. Yep, the stream is still going. Okay. Next part is what else made me really annoyed at Nvidia was Premiere Pro. So their new drivers, Nvidia's new drivers, affected me negatively, and the reason was I use Premiere Pro for my video editing, but I haven't been able to edit videos because Premiere Pro has gotten glitched out and looks like this. Now that's an error, if I have seen any, and that one, I had that error for a long time. Then I contacted Adobe's help and support. They helped a lot, and it worked great, and I was able to launch Premiere Pro. But I still had a problem rendering. I could not render at all in Adobe Media Encoder because the Nvidia drivers were making it so my graphics card encodes things incorrectly. So that was a bit of a problem, and it is quite a lot of a problem, and they need to really fix things like this sooner than I haven't seen a patch yet, and that's a bit of a problem. So I start to get annoyed at Nvidia here, and I think next time I'm definitely going to go with an AMD graphics card, simply because they are much nicer people. They don't have things like Gameworks, they have open source applications for it. So that's my logic on the idea of, on the debate between Nvidia and AMD. Currently, I think AMD should have a lot more people than they do, and I think a lot more people are going to switch soon when they learn about things like this. Alright, next topic. Now, if you notice at the start here, I have a VR headset, and it says in the comments, or in the, basic info here, the description, there it is, that, my VR headset is on the way. So, I ordered a VR headset, and it looks something like this. Now, it's made for Google Cardboard, which is awesome. Google Cardboard basically enables your phone to be a VR headset for as low as $4. Like $4 to $5 you can get a Google Cardboard kit, which is awesome. I think that's amazing, because anybody can have VR now. They don't have to pay for an Oculus. But VR1, or you can get a $5 piece of cardboard with 2 lenses in it and a magnet that does basically the same thing, but with lower quality, which is awesome. So that's some better news, and yeah, I think it's really cool. I'm definitely going to be trying it out and seeing how it works with this VR headset. Hopefully I'll have a review, but that depends. Maybe I'll just do a live stream unboxing of it. I don't know. It arrives Wednesday, so I'm excited about that. Now the next thing you'll probably have noticed... Wait, there's a Wii Remote here. Why is there a Wii Remote on the Tech Talk intro piece? Well, there's a reason. Now, I'm gonna go explain that now. I spent about 2 hours yesterday connecting my Wii Remote to my computer. So, what is this for? And I didn't know you could do that. It was basically, I didn't know I could do that until I experimented with it and I got it working. Now it's awesome, because now I can have my Wii Remote control my computer's activities. So I can browse the web and even play Minecraft using my Wii Remote, which is awesome. And it's all wireless, so I don't have to be wired in. And I mean, yeah, there are wireless mouse and keyboard, but they're not meant to be held and stand around. And you're probably still wondering, like, you have a mouse and keyboard. Why? The main reason is for actually VR. So I can connect my Wii Remote to my computer, so I can then send information from the Wii Remote to move my player forward, back, left, right, stuff like that, so I have my basic movement down. The WASD can be the nunchuck, for example. And then I can take my phone, using a Google Cardboard enabled app, and my VR headset that my phone is now in, and connect that to my computer as well. And that will allow me to stream my computer video to my phone, and have my phone stream gyroscope input to my computer so it can move my mouse around, which is really cool. Which allows me to basically run non-VR games on my computer, on my VR headset, with my phone. And that is also wireless. Now, granted, wireless VR is still fairly new, meaning that it can be laggy, which does sort of kill the experience. But if you have decent Wi-Fi, which I have decent Wi-Fi, you will be able to use it fine. Then, after I do that, I can take my Bluetooth headphones, and I can stream I can stream audio from my computer, put all this together, and I have a pretty cool setup. And these are all the arrows that I drew. All the it's established by squiggly lines. and it basically says, hey, Wii Remote sends input to there, phone receives input, sends input, then it all puts together into the headset here, and then I have my headphones, which are sending the input saying, hey, I'm here, and then the computer sends back, hey, here's the audio, and basically I have a really cool wireless VR setup. So, that's the idea, that's the plan, and it's going to be a bit hard to put it into action, but if you would like to know the program, you can leave a comment, or the program that allowed me to connect my Wii Remote to my computer. Wii Remotes are Bluetooth, but it takes a bit of configuring to get them to actually do stuff. So, if you'd like to know what software I used, you can just comment on the live stream or on the video, and the video that gets posted automatically. So, that will be the next part. And, yeah, that almost wraps up the live stream, actually. But a few more things I'd like to talk about with this is, yeah, my VR headset is arriving Wednesday. I hope to, post either do a live stream or a video or something on that. Maybe not Wednesday, but at some point, probably on Saturday or Sunday, seeing as it's Sunday today, and I normally end up doing something on the weekend for my channel. Try to post a video once a week, but sort of trying to get there. Main problem is, like I said in the previous one, the Premiere Pro and Nvidia problem, which I hope to sort out by buying an AMD graphics card, but I'm not sure if the cost is justified, because I do have a graphics card that's not that old. I just am starting to get annoyed with Nvidia enough that I'm almost willing to buy an AMD graphics card for it. But, yeah, that's honestly... yeah. I plan to upload more videos once... I mean, I have a video edited that's completely done. I just can't render it because Media Encoder is glitching out. So, yeah. Enjoyed the Tech Talk. If you would like to see more of these, just let me know, and I might actually do another one today, because this one was fairly short. Mostly because it's just a recap of what's been going on, and some tech that's going on, stuff like that. Oh. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Okay, my stream looks like it's starting to slowly die anyway, but, oh, okay, there we go. My stream looks like it's sort of starting to die anyway, so I'm just going to wrap it up here. Thank you for watching this Tech Talk, with, on the topic of consumer VR that is using your phone, Wii Remotes connected to your computer, Google Cardboard, and Nvidia game doesn't work. So, yeah, thank you for watching this Tech Talk with JustRyan. I hope to see you next time, and if you would like to see another, comment below. Thanks for watching.